The total surface area of a solid cylinder is 165 centimeters squared. If the base diameter is 7 centimeters, calculate its height. Take pi to be 22 divided by 7. So we have a solid cylinder, and the total surface area of this solid cylinder is 165 centimeters squared. And the base diameter of the cylinder is 7 centimeters. The question wants us to use this information to calculate the height of the solid cylinder. The total surface area of a solid cylinder is given by the formula 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi rh, where r is the base radius and h is the height of the cylinder. Here we have been given the total surface area as 165 centimeters squared and the base diameter as 7 centimeters. In the formula, we have r, which is the radius, so it means that we have to find the radius. We can get the radius by dividing the diameter by 2. So the radius will be equal to the diameter, which is 7 centimeters, divided by 2, and that will give us 3.5 centimeters. So the base radius is equal to 3.5 centimeters. We have the total surface area, so we can substitute this information into this formula to calculate the height. The total surface area will be equal to 2 times 22 divided by 7 times r, which is the base radius, which we have found to be 3.5 centimeters squared, plus 2 times 22 divided by 7 times 3.5 centimeters times h, which is the height. And this will give us 77 centimeters squared plus 22h centimeters. So this is the total surface area. But in the question, we are told that the total surface area is 165 centimeters squared. So it means that 77 centimeters squared plus 22h centimeters is equal to 165 centimeters squared. So we have 165 centimeters squared is equal to 77 centimeters squared plus 22h centimeters. We want to find h, so I'll bring 77 centimeters squared to the left hand side, and this will give us 165 centimeters squared minus 77 centimeters squared is equal to 22h centimeters. 165 centimeters squared minus 77 centimeters squared will give us 88 centimeters squared, and so we have 88 centimeters squared is equal to 22h centimeters. I'll divide the left hand side by 22 centimeters and the right hand side by 22 centimeters. So when we do that, 22 centimeters and 22 centimeters will cancel each other out. 88 centimeters squared divided by 22 centimeters will give us 4 centimeters. So it means that h, which is the height of the cylinder, is 4 centimeters.